What's up, you guys? RPA Trucking and Survival. I'm gonna get right down to the point. I hate when it comes to tutorials and they take forever. They got the long ass intro and all that bullshit. I'm not gonna do that. But I am going to ask you to at least hit that like button. So, a few different wraps. I got some requests on yesterday's video when I was talking about the SHEMAGH on some wraps. I'm gonna show you 4, okay? 2 for the face and 1 for the head and 1 for like I'm wearing it right now. I just finished watching that movie 13 Hours. Man, those are some men, huh? What a movie. It's like my 8th time watching it or something. I don't even know how many times I've seen it. All right, so for the first wrap, this is called the British Special Forces wrap. Now, for every wrap that you do, okay, you are always going to have your SHEMAGH in this shape, okay? Fastening it to your head or your neck always involves wraps and tucks, no knots, all right? Okay, so for the first one, it's gonna go over my head just like this, okay? And it's gonna be slightly off center. So you're gonna throw it over your head. Here's the center, and you're gonna move it to your right. Okay, so your head's gonna go to the left, and you're moving it to your right. This way, just slightly off center. Wrap it over the top of your head, okay? Just let that side go, forget about it. With my right hand, I'm holding here, just above my eyebrow, and I'm pulling this tight over my face. I'm tucking here, folding it, bringing it over here, and holding both of these in place. Then you're gonna get this side, okay? You're gonna go behind your head, maybe twist it a couple times if you want. Pull it tight over this way, and then you're gonna tuck it right there behind your head. Okay, so let me show you that one more time. You're gonna come all right, come here. You're gonna pull this mamma jamba over your nose and your face, wrap it around your head, tie that here. You're gonna take this piece, pull it tight, over this way, tuck it behind your head, nice and tight. Fold this down a couple times, just roll it like such. There you have it. If you did it right, you'll have some of this exposed. This side will be covered. Kind of a long piece from the center, right there. Okay, just kind of fold that down, and you're good to go. All right. That's the British Special Forces wrap. Now the next one is even easier. Call it the Bandit. The Bandit wrap. Now you can either put it this way, but I like to fold the top part down like this, about this much. See that? Fold it down just a little more. Just like that. And then put that over my face, cross this one over, cross this one over, get a snug fit. Same thing underneath your neck, you're gonna cross them over, tuck it up to the chin, And then you're gonna tuck them in here. Wrapping and tucking, see? Just that easy. Wrapping and tucking. There you have it. Now, like this, you can get another shemagh and wrap your head, creating a beanie. Like I said earlier, beanies, they get my ears sore, you know, after a while. Feels funky. A shemagh I could wear on my head all day. So this is how you do that wrap. Let's untuck this bad boy. And for your head, okay, I like to do the same wrap, but I don't go as, I don't fold it as deep. Over my head here like this. Right? Yeah. Wrap it a couple times. Go this way. Go this way. Tuck those in my ear. Cross over the front. Cross that over the front again. And then tuck it down at the sides. If you get some tassels, all you gotta do is just tuck those in and make them disappear. You can like tuck them underneath like that. And they'll go away. But to get rid of those, all you do is when you wrap it, you just you roll it a little. Once you put it over your head, I'll just show you. Once you put it over your head, all right, put it over your ear. Make sure it goes over your ear. Here, make sure this goes over your ear. All right, twist them, they'll disappear. Just like that. Pigtails. Okay. All right, then put this here, put this here. Tuck them in. You have no idea how warm this is. I like this wrap a lot. It's pretty cool. So, that's that. Pull it over your ears a little tighter, and there you have it. Boom. All right, now for wrapping your neck, wearing it like a scarf. So keep you nice and warm. All right, you can either leave it nice and big, okay? Wrap it around your neck. Always and always wrap it over, okay? Like that. Then this side, you tuck it down under. Pull that. And there you have it. Just real quick, you can, if there's a dust storm coming in or whatever, you can do that, you know. And there you have it, nice and warm. You can get another shemagh, cover your head, you know, it gets cold, and then keep your neck warm and your head warm, as you know, heat escapes through the top of your head. Then you can get another shemagh. You could do the Bandit wrap if you want, or you keep your entire face warm and use that British Special Forces with one shemagh. I'd probably recommend just doing that. You can just pull it down and like such. The way I usually like to have this, you know, I'm here like in the city, so I like to wear black, and then I wrap it a lot smaller, a lot tighter, so that it's just, you know, a little more inconspicuous. But I'll do this. All right, I'll leave it about like that. Put it on my chest, you know, this way, down and over and through. There you have it. It's pretty cool. Just right there like that. All right, you got a nice warm neck now. It's a little more loose fitting, so when it's cold, you'll want to do the wrap I did before this one. Keep you a lot warmer, just a little tighter, but it's definitely a lot warmer. Anyway, I hope you learned something new. Hope you liked it. The SHEMAGHs, you know, they're really affordable. Just get them right there on Amazon. Like I said, all the uses, all the things that these big old scarves can do is just, it's amazing. Char cloth for fabricating a fire. You know, either you can use your lighter on it or strike it with a flint and steel, you know, or with your ferro rod and your knife. Makes for a tourniquet, makeshift tourniquet. You can use this in a stick, you know, just use your belt if you want, whatever. Stuffing wounds, you know, all that good stuff, man. It's got a bunch of uses. You can make a sling for a broken arm or injured arm or whatever. And also just, you know, packing arterial bleeds. So a lot of uses from these things, and it's one of the 10 C's of survivability. One of the 10 items that you need in your survival kit. Cotton bandana, right? So anyway, I hope you liked it. RPA Trucking and Survival. Have fun practicing these wraps. They're really easy to grasp. Anyway, stay safe. See you all on the road. Take care.